It's another day, guys. I just got back from Target. I went with my sister. We met up at a Target location. Oh my gosh, Hazel, what are you doing? Hazel, that's not for you. That was on the table. Please. Anyway, I got this from TJMaxx because they got their Christmas stuff out. And so this is super duper cute. And then I got, hey, not for you. And then I got this one for our bedroom upstairs. It says Cuddle Weather. Adorable. So I guess I ended up showing you that first. But yeah. So I also got some pans because when I was making my babe's Christmas cake, I guess I'm doing a TJMaxx haul real quick. When I was making my babe's his birthday cake, I needed 2 of these pans. I only had 1. So 2 will be coming in handy. And then this one, I don't know if I had this size or not. It's just a 9x9. I gotta check right now. Otherwise, we'll return 1 of those because I don't think I need 2 of those. I mean, it's better to have 2 though, right? I don't know. Let me see if I even have that. Oh, I do have that size. Yep, so we could just have 2, right? It'll always come in handy. Yeah, we're just gonna keep 2. Because they stack inside one another, nobody will know. And I'm also wondering if I need to get another bread pan because they did have another one of those. Like I had a smaller one, but like I could get rid of this one and have 2 of these instead. Yeah, maybe I need to go back and get one of those. And they also had the bigger one. Do I need another one of those? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm literally failing at a haul video already for what I bought for my pumpkin carving party. Started putting stuff away. So I gotta go through that. But let me show you a couple other things I got from TJMaxx. So for this drawer, I got these organizers. I like that I could fit 2 of these comfortably back to back. And this fits my dog's food, Hazel's dog food. So they just fit sideways. I had them in these containers, but as you guys could see, those don't really fit. So I had to go this way and I could only fit 3. This way I'll be able to fit more as I'm defrosting it. So that's always gonna come in handy. I bought a lot of cheese because my recipes require some cheese. So I got mozzarella cheese. I also got Munster cheese for charcuterie board, sharp cheddar cheese. I got these crescent rolls because we're gonna make some pumpkin twists with that. And I got some butternut squash, some peppers, nothing else here yet. And I didn't throw in anything else yet, so let's see what else I got here. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I also picked up some chocolate chunks. Do they make milk chocolate chunks? Because I only saw these at Target. I wanted to make some sourdough cookies, but I wanted to try chocolate chunks because the person that wrote the recipe said that it just tastes so much better with chocolate chunks than chocolate chips, and so I wanted to try it out. And I got some potatoes. I'm gonna make some herb roasted potatoes for my pumpkin carving party. I got 2 bags of these. The other one's still in there somewhere. This ranch dip mix. I don't normally buy this, but for the party, I'm making some stuff, so same thing with this. Don't normally buy these, but we're gonna have a hot chocolate. I'm gonna make hot chocolate in my crock pot, so if people want marshmallows, there we go. I also stopped by Party City, got some orange cups because we're in a fall theme here. I got these from Whole Foods for Hazel, some collagen sticks, so I wanna see if she likes those. More powdered sugar. I got some onions here. These chips from Whole Foods, I wanted to try them out. Ginger snaps, because I'm gonna make a pumpkin pie spice banana pudding kind of thing. Got salami for my charcuterie board. We got some butter here. Yep. And I got some guacamole to try with those lime tortilla chips. I'm very excited for that. So that's that. I still have more stuff here. Salsa, garlic, olive oil because we were running low. I got eggs. Always need more eggs. Tostitos for the party. I did get regular milk chocolate. Also, this is for my hot chocolate. More cheese for the charcuterie board. String cheese just to have. Brussels sprouts for roasted veggies, cottage cheese, mushrooms, and then also for hot chocolate, some cocoa powder. Needed some of that. Parmesan cheese. There's my other potatoes. There's my other Brussels sprouts. I saw these at Target too. They're little pumpkin tea lights. Like, how cute. I could even decorate the charcuterie board with this. It's cute. And then these I thought would go onto something as well because they're pumpkins, and since it's a pumpkin themed party. And some bananas. And that's it. That is my haul video, guys. I'm a terrible haul person. I just realized I put away stuff in the other fridge before I showed you guys, but I also realized I didn't show you this. I got some tablecloths from Target. So on the website, I was trying to find the aisle that it was in, and it said there's only 2 in stock. There was actually 4 in stock. I needed 3, which is perfect. So I got 3, but I just want to share, like, online, so there was only 2. But I did get my 3 that I needed. Anyway, so let me finish showing you guys what else I got. I think I showed you the mushrooms that I just put away, the Parmesan cheese. I showed you the eggs. This is my sourdough. I didn't buy that, but I got milk because this is going to be for adding to recipes. That's going to be for the hot chocolate. I got heavy whipping cream for the pumpkin spice pudding. Got some more oat milk because I was running low. And I got whipped cream because what good is hot chocolate without whipped cream, right? And I think that's everything. And I got some cream cheese, only to find another one in this fridge that I need to use up. So this one expires sooner than this one. I mean, it's still sometime the end of the month, but I'd rather use this one than the new ones that expire in February. So yeah, got lots of goodies today. A nice big grocery bill too. I do enjoy having people over though. I can't wait to like cook all the things, and yeah, I got all my recipes picked out, so I'm excited for that. I'm glad I got my shopping done today. It is Wednesday, so I'm glad I got that done today. I have Thursday, Friday. I'll probably start cooking some stuff for Sunday, maybe, or maybe like preparing some things and cook them on Saturday. I don't know. I don't know how I'm doing all this yet. I gotta figure that out. I gotta make like a game plan of how I'm gonna make everything, because Sunday, it's gonna be early for everybody to kind of come here. I mean, early, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but I mean, that doesn't give me that much time in the morning to cook and do things, but I guess we'll see. I went back to TJMaxx, guys. I realized I had a couple of things I needed to return. So I got Hazel a bigger bed. They had a bigger one this time, so I did do that because she will be growing out of her soon. She's already gotten bigger, not too noticeable, but in the sense that we had to loosen her harness already, so she definitely is growing. But I went back, I got this cute little chair. Yeah, I felt like it needed something in this corner, and I also bought a pumpkin to go with it. I still have the tags on it and everything. Haven't decided if I'm keeping it. Why is this part like sticking out? I don't know. But yeah, I haven't decided if I'm keeping it for sure yet. Hazel is still loving her collagen stick here. Where are you going, Hazel? Hazel, Hazel, hey, stay down here. Come here, come down here. So because I have a new bed for her, I put that one there. She also has another one there. She has beds everywhere, guys. But I also went back and got myself another bread pan, and I got this cookie thing because this one has a wire rack that fits perfectly. So why not get another pan? You can never have too much of those, right? You use them for everything. You use them for cookies, I use them to make crackers, you use them to roast vegetables, like literally everything goes on those sheet pans. I'm in the mood for some kind of a juice, nothing hot though, so we are going to make orange juice. I have this orange where I took off the zest yesterday. A couple more oranges, approximately 3 oranges I think makes a juice. I can't remember though. So here we go, we're gonna make a juice, and I have this juice press machine. I mean, it's not really a machine, you press it yourself, but it's great. And it does like, it's perfect for oranges. If you drink a lot of orange juice and you like fresh squeezed orange juice, this is absolute perfection. See, it just squeezes out my oranges. You cut them in half and then it's like perfect. Let me like try to give you a different angle. Will that stay? I mean, that's not any better than it was before, but so then you take this off. Get my next one on there. We actually might need 4 oranges. Wait, no, I think it's 5 oranges that makes 1 juice. I always get it messed up. I can't remember. Clearly, I haven't made orange juice in a while. Fresh squeezed orange juice is honestly the best, guys. I already drank half of it in like 2 seconds. It's just so good. I just got home and my Amazon packages came in. I ordered some stuff during the early access sale and the day after, even though it wasn't part of the early access sale. But I was just like, you know what, just gonna get my stuff anyway. But yesterday, and this actually arrived super quickly. Yesterday, I was watching somebody's video on like making some healthy meals and whatever, and they had this coolest contraption ever that cuts your vegetables, okay? Like it was so easy to meal prep them. Like all she did was like peel them, put them in this thing, and it like chopped them. It was so great. And I was like, oh my gosh, I was texting my sister and I was like, oh my gosh, Paulina, what is this contraption? And I was like, wait, I found it in the description of the YouTube video and I just ordered mine. She goes, I'm ordering one too. And it arrived so quickly. So it's this thing. It's a food chopper. So yes, it says Onion Chopper Pro. It's not just for onions. This girl was cutting sweet potato in here, and I hate cutting sweet potato. I feel like it's so hard and it makes my hands hurt, so fantastic. So I got that. And then my sister makes her own gummy bears for Jaden, and I ordered some of the gelatin that she uses. I think it was the gelatin or the collagen, I don't know which one it is that I'm supposed to do for that, so I gotta figure out her recipe. But I ordered myself some gummy molds too, so I can make myself my own gummy bears, healthy gummy bears. And then I ordered a ravioli maker. My sister saw this and she bought one too, and I was like, that is so cool. So I got myself a ravioli maker. All the fun kitchen things, like kitchen things make me so happy because I like being in the kitchen. I enjoy cooking and making things and new things. And actually I gotta prepare my sourdough cookies. They've been fermenting since yesterday night. So almost, it's been like 20 hours, I think, 21 hours maybe, that they've been fermenting. So I gotta add in the rest of the ingredients, put it in the fridge for an hour before I bake them, and I'm excited. I made those before, but I've never done the long fermenting process. The other times I made it, I still made sourdough, it just wasn't the long fermenting version, so that will be fun to try. My sister does this one, she says. So we'll see what they're like, and I'm excited. trying to teach Hazel how to come to me. So right now she's playing, you just saw her pop down, playing on the couch with her toy. I just threw it, so she's having fun with it right now. So I'm gonna ask her to come to me and hopefully she does. Oh, well, she's already here. Before, I didn't even say come yet. Where's your toy? Alexa, stop. Where's your toy? Hazel, Hazel. Hey, Hazel, come. Go girl, oh, go girl, here you go. Go girl. All right, go play. Go play again. Ready? Go. Hazel, come. Hazel, Hazel, come. It's the first time I'm trying this, but it's not going so good. Hazel, come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We gotta keep practicing now. When we get the fence next week, huh? Yeah. Then we can practice that. Good girl. All right. I'm just trying to get some training done all the time here and there. We've been trying to teach her how to fetch and bring it back. Now I'm starting to teach her how to come. We already trained her how to ring the bell to go potty, and she's been doing really good with that. She doesn't usually ring it randomly anymore, not as much as she did in the beginning, because every time she did, we would just take her out, and if she didn't go potty, we would take her right back in. So yeah, but it's going good though. It's going good so far. And here are my sourdough cookies, looking delicious. I probably should have flattened them out a little bit though next time, but I did use chocolate chunks instead of chocolate chips, and I'm excited. The recipe also said to do 2 cups of chocolate chunks, and I was just like, no, that's way too much. I only did 1 cup. 2 cups was just way too much. Last time I did chocolate chips, and 2 cups was just, it was overkill. It was way too much. So I decided to change it up this time. But that is it, guys, for today's video. I'm gonna end this here as soon as I could get Hazel to come back to me again. So let's try. Hazel, come. Hazel, come. I don't even see her though. She's behind the couch. She's busy playing with the toy, but this is what I need her to stop doing. So in case one day when there's a dog outside, oh, good girl. Hazel, come. Come here. Let me grab you, and there you go. Good girl. So I've been watching a video in order to get her to recall in the future, like properly. I need to like do it while she's playing and whatever, and like really try and reward her. And as you saw, I just like grabbed her like collar. That was part of the training video, to do that, because the last thing that you want to do is have her come here and then just bolt off after she gets a treat. So I'm trying, guys. I am trying to train her. I'm constantly watching training doggy videos. I want her to be the amazing doggy that I know she already is. All right, guys, so that is everything. I'm gonna call this a night. Maybe I'll even get to edit this vlog today. We'll see. And Hazel and I say goodnight as she's ripping up this ducky. You see the shreds all over? She loves ripping up toys. I don't know what it is, but she loves it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.